training you have undergone at Rwanda Military Academy, GACO here, delivered through the academic support of the University of Rwanda, has prepared you to serve with honor, integrity, and distinction. You have developed not only technical skills and competences, but also the moral compass necessary to navigate the complex ethical terrain of military and social sciences. Congratulations on this remarkable achievement. You have made your families, your institution, and your nation extremely proud. May you serve with distinction, lead with wisdom, and always remember that being at good service to the people is the best reward one can ever achieve. Congratulations once again.
As you leave the halls of Rwanda Military Academy, GACO, you carry more than academic credentials. You bear the trust and hopes of an entire nation. The uniform you wear is not just an emblem of pride. It is a mantle of responsibility, service, and honor. It represents the hopes and aspirations of millions of people who look to you for protection, security, and peace of mind.